Hello, Space Apps Challenge teams. I'm Dr. Daniel O'Neill. I'm a technical manager at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center within the Office of Strategic Analysis and Communications. February of this year marked the 50th anniversary of the Apollo 14 mission. Artemis is the sister of Apollo. NASA's Artemis mission will take astronauts back to the moon. When those astronauts arrive, they will need geological evaluation tools, sample containers, geophysical instrumentation, and ground support equipment to complete their tasks as they explore the surface, analyze samples, and collect samples for the scientists back on Earth. The Virtual Planetary Exploration Challenge version 2.0 asks teams to create web-based virtual reality models of historical, current, or future tools, containers, instrumentation, and equipment. Why is this challenge version 2.0? Because last year was the first time we offered this challenge. Many of the teams that participated in last year's challenge created some incredible products. You can find links to a few of those project pages in the resources section of this year's challenge description. Those projects can serve as a source of inspiration. Review their products and decide whether or not you'd like to incorporate similar functions or features. However, reproductions or copies of those projects will not be accepted for this year's challenge. A required feature of your virtual models is that they must be viewable within a web browser. Security regulations discourage downloading files from unvetted sources. Also, the judges don't have a variety of the 3D modeling applications or the time required to learn them. Research free web hosting services. A few repositories provide the capability to host web pages. Within your Space Apps project web page, you can provide a link to the virtual models that you create and embed in a different web page. The potential considerations section of this year's challenge description provides examples of key words to help you with your research, such as WebGL and regolith. If your team uses free assets as part of your virtual models, please acknowledge the sources in your Space Apps project page. During the event, we will have subject matter experts who will periodically check into the chat forums. Please feel free to ask them questions as well as brainstorm ideas with them. The experience you gain from this challenge will provide you with some expertise in 3D modeling and deploying interactive virtual models. We are looking forward to the great products that we know the teams will produce who participate in this year's challenge. Happy coding.